Nintendo Switch 2 rumors are getting more exciting, and a new patent has revealed two potential game-changing features. According to recent filings, Nintendo might introduce a 180 degrees flip feature and a Joy-Con mouse function in its next console. These innovations could completely change how players interact with the device. While the details are still unclear, the possibilities are intriguing. Let's break down what this patent means and how it could impact the future of gaming. One of the biggest surprises in this patent is the rotating console design. It suggests that the Nintendo Switch 2 could be flipped upside down, allowing players to use it in both orientations. The system appears to have repositionable USB and headphone ports, meaning they could adjust depending on how the console is held. Additionally, the Joy-Cons could snap into place on either side, making it fully functional no matter which way it is flipped. This raises an important question: why would Nintendo add this feature? There could be several reasons for this design choice. First, it might offer more comfort and customization. Players could flip the console to make charging or using headphones easier, depending on their setup. Second, the feature could be used for gameplay integration. Some games might take advantage of flipping the console as an action input, creating new ways to interact with the game world. Another possibility is dual-screen functionality, similar to the Wii U. If the Nintendo Switch 2 supports a secondary screen, flipping the device could allow for unique game mechanics. Finally, this feature could enable Nintendo Switch Online to support DS and 3DS games in vertical mode. This would be a huge upgrade, as many fans have been hoping for classic handheld titles to return in an authentic way. Nintendo has always been known for introducing unique hardware features, and this patent continues that trend. Whether the 180 degrees flip function is designed for comfort, gameplay, or retro compatibility, it shows that Nintendo is thinking outside the box once again. If this feature makes it to the final product, it could change how players experience handheld gaming. Another interesting detail from the patent is the Joy-Con mouse functionality. The patent describes a Joy-Con wrist strap attachment with a flat base, suggesting that the controller could be used as a mouse. This could open up many possibilities for navigation and gameplay. Unlike traditional controllers, a mouse-like Joy-Con could provide more precise control, making certain tasks easier and more intuitive. One obvious application would be improved menu navigation. Browsing the Nintendo eShop, adjusting system settings, or using web-based applications could feel much smoother with a cursor-controlled interface. Additionally, this feature might work well with an external keyboard, allowing players to type messages or chat in supported games more efficiently. If Nintendo integrates this well, it could make the Switch 2 feel more like a hybrid between a console and a PC. But this feature might not just be about convenience. Nintendo is known for using its hardware in creative and unexpected ways. The Joy-Con mouse function could play a role in gimmick games, similar to how motion controls were used in WarioWare and Mario Party. It could also bring back Mario Paint-style creative tools, allowing players to draw, create music, or edit images using a Joy-Con like a stylus. Another exciting possibility is enhanced aiming mechanics. Games like Metroid Prime 4 and Splatoon 4 could benefit from PC-like precision, making shooting mechanics smoother and more accurate. If this works as intended, it could be a game-changer for FPS and third-person shooters on the Switch 2. These patents suggest that Nintendo is looking for new ways to enhance both gameplay and usability. The Joy-Con as a mouse might seem like a small detail, but it could lead to major improvements in game controls, system navigation, and creative applications. If implemented well, it could set the Switch 2 apart from other gaming consoles. The potential implications of these features go beyond just hardware improvements. The 180 degrees flip feature could introduce unique gaming mechanics, allowing developers to create innovative gameplay experiences. If implemented well, it might lead to new ways of interacting with games, such as flipping the console to trigger specific in-game actions. This could add an extra layer of immersion, similar to how motion controls changed gaming with the Wii. One of the most exciting possibilities is dual-screen functionality. If the Nintendo Switch 2 supports a second screen, it could bring back Wii U-style gameplay. This would allow for asynchronous multiplayer experiences, where one player sees something different from the other. It might also enable Nintendo Switch Online to support DS and 3DS games, making them playable in a vertical dual-screen mode. Given Nintendo's history of experimenting with unique hardware designs, this feature could be a major selling point. The Joy-Con mouse functionality could also have a lasting impact on the console's ecosystem. It might improve precision in FPS and third-person shooter games, making aiming more accurate and responsive. This could be a huge upgrade for competitive gaming, especially in titles like Splatoon 4 or Metroid Prime 4. Additionally, it could lead to new creative software, such as a revival of Mario Paint or a PictoChat-style drawing and messaging app. There's also speculation that Nintendo Switch Online could have surprises in 2025, possibly related to these new features. If the Flip functionality supports DS and 3DS games, it could lead to a major expansion of the Switch's retro library. This would give players access to a huge selection of classic Nintendo titles in a way that feels authentic to the original experience. Overall, these patents suggest that Nintendo is thinking ahead, looking for ways to make the Switch 2 more versatile and innovative. While it's unclear how many of these features will make it into the final product, the possibilities are exciting. If Nintendo executes these ideas well, the Switch 2 could offer a fresh and unique experience, setting itself apart from competitors once again.